Police have raided a law firm linked to Goldman Sachs in search of documents related to the three 1MDB bonds, totaling $6.5 billion USD arranged by the US investment bank. Sources say Bukit Aman commercial crime officers conducted the sweep on Rahman Lim and partners in Kuala Lumpur after the law firm refused to hand over the documents. This forced the men in blue to obtain a court order for the raid. It took the officers several hours to download the said files due to the size of the soft copies. Rahman Lim were the lawyers representing Goldman during the issuance of the 1MDB bonds in 2012 and 2013. The source also says another law firm, Wong & Partners, which had represented 1MDB for the transactions, had been more cooperative and have already given the documents as requested by the police. A source familiar with the investigation says lawyers should not think that they can withhold documents in a criminal investigation. The High Court has upheld the decision made by Malaysia Competition Commission to fine MyEG Services 9.34 million ringgit for abusing its dominant position, infringing the Competition Act 2010. In a statement, MyCC CEO Iskandar Ismail said this case is a testament to its commitment, without fear or favour, to take stern action against abusive monopoly or dominant players in the market. The High Court agrees with the Competition Appeal Tribunal's findings, whereby MyEG had abused its dominant position by imposing different conditions in equivalent transactions in the purchase of mandatory insurances for the renewal of temporary employment permits for foreign workers. The 9.34 million ringgit penalty comprises a financial penalty of 307,200 ringgit and daily penalties from October 7, 2015 to January 22, 2019, amounting to 9.03 million ringgit. Additionally, MyEG is still liable for a daily penalty of 7,500 ringgit per day until they comply with the directives imposed by MyCC in its decision. PM Tun Dr Mahathir Mohamad says he is not sure whether the EPCL contract has been terminated as reported in the media earlier in the week. He affirmed that the matter will be raised in the cabinet meeting today. To recap, the edgemarkets.com, quoting a source, reported that Putrajaya has terminated the EPCC contract awarded to contractor China Communications Construction Co. for the 80 billion ringgit EPCL project. It was reported that CCCC was instructed to stop all construction works and services on the EPCL project by Finance Minister Lim Guan Eng on July 3rd last year until further notice, pending a review. Today, Mahathir warns that terminating the EPCL contract involving CCCC will come at a price. He adds that one way for the government to resolve the problem is to terminate the contract, but it will cost billions. Digicom saw its fourth quarter FY18 net profit grow by 4.9% to 377.8 million ringgit from 360.1 million ringgit the year before. This was due to solid postpaid growth and a firm hand on its cost management. Revenue for the quarter grew 1.8% to 1.67 billion ringgit due to higher demand for its postpaid plans. Digi also declared a fourth interim dividend of 4.8 cent per share, bringing its full FY18 dividend payout to 19.6 cent. On a full-year basis, FY18's net profit rose 4.3% to 1.54 billion ringgit from 1.48 billion ringgit in FY17, while revenue grew 2.9% to 6.53 billion ringgit. CEO Alban Murthy says that 2018 was a year of strong execution on the business, as it kept on its digital transformation journey while staying focused on service delivery. For 2019, Digi says it is confident of maintaining its service revenue and guided for low single-digit EBITDA. Datasonic says it is not under investigation by the MACC in the corruption case involving former Deputy PM Dato Sri Ahmad Zahid Hamidi. The firm says the MACC has already issued a clarification and that it has extended full cooperation to the anti-graft agency. Back on October 19th, Datasonic and MyEG were separately named in corruption charges brought against Ahmad Zahid, who is also the former Home Minister. Datasonic was named in 2 of 45 charges against Zahid, where he was alleged to have received bribes worth 6 million ringgit from the company's deputy MD Chew Ben Ben in exchange for helping the company secure a 5-year passport chip supply contract under direct negotiation with the Home Ministry. Datasonic has denied paying Ahmad Zahid for the passport chip contract. It said it was awarded the contract to supply 12.5 million chips in December 2015 based on the value proposition of its enhanced chip security. The firm said its offering was 15% cheaper than the project's previous vendor and provides savings to the government.